What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Now, this is my first unboxing video and let me know if you guys like this. So I'm going to unbox the Logitech Pro X Superlight. And it's an incredible light gaming mouse. It's somewhere like 63 grams. Some people measured it, it's around 60. And it's got a 25K or a good 25K DPI resolution. Well, I guess it's a resolution, but nobody's ever going to use 2500 DPI. It's totally pointless to use it. It's got light speed, hero sensor, power play, and super light. Well, the super light part, that's the part I like. Let's open the box, see what we get inside. Put it to the side. So this is what you see when you open the box. We get the mouse. It is, if you like, the first time you touch it, you're like, is this really it? It's so incredibly light. It's just special to have such a light mouse. I've used this mouse, the SteelSeries Rival 600. It's a little bit greasy, but this one is so much heavier than this mouse. I'm going to do size comparison in a second, so you get a good idea what this mouse is. So let's see what we get in the box. Check that to the side. Now you get like a little extra cushion for the bottom. You can flip this out and change it. It has little magnets, as you can see. And they just snap right into place if you do it the right way. And then flip it out like that. But I don't really like this one because I feel I have more, it gives more friction, so the mouse doesn't move as smooth as the one that is originally installed. So, also the USB little dongle inside. See if you can get some focus on there. Get some focus, nice. It's a very small dongle. You just chuck it in the side of your PC, download Logitech Hub or G Hub, and you're good to go. The install is extremely easy, unlike SteelSeries. SteelSeries, get out of here. So we get some books, and there's some cool stickers. Yeah, let me put that on my laptop because I love Logitech. Nice. And there's some grippy stickers you can put in the side of your mouse. They just, well, they fit like this, I guess. How do you put these on there? Well, you can figure it out yourself if you're gonna buy this one. So, whoops. Put that to the side. Now, we got the cable. Now this is really the downside of this mouse, honestly. This is really the downside. You get a micro USB cable. Yeah, 2021 people. 2021. It's like a very special model, but it fits right in like that. Check it in. And the charging goes really fast, and I usually play in the evening because my day job doesn't let me play during the day. So, but I never run out of juice with this mouse, and once it runs out of juice, if you charge it, it charges up really quickly. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Let's put it to the side. Also, if you are wondering if you have like a normal micro USB cable lying around, Get some focus there. You can check that in as well, and that works perfectly fine as well. No problem whatsoever. Now, if you compare the size to the rival, it's a little smaller. I gotta say, the rival feels a little bit better in the hand because you got these grooves, and I like more buttons, honestly. I have really large hands, so might not be the best comparison, but this is the Logitech, and this is the rival. Now, if you're in the market for buying a mouse, I can most definitely recommend this mouse. It's really light. It feels super, super responsive if you play with it. I don't know if it has to do with the sensor or it being super light or the combination of the two, but it's really, really good. The scroll wheel has some, like a little resistance. It's not crazy, but it just feels right. Now, one thing that concerned me a little when I bought the mouse was this. There's like quite some wobble with it. So I don't know how that holds over time, but the buttons feel quite sturdy for such a light mouse. And I don't feel like I'm gonna break it anytime soon. I've also have one of these honeycomb mice, and they don't feel as good as this one. So if you're in the market for buying a super light mouse, wireless, I would recommend you to get this one. I'm super happy with it, and I'm going to keep it, and I'm actually going to use this as my daily driver. So if you like my video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I do benchmarks, gameplay, and I'm going to do some unboxing or reviewing videos if you like it. So I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.